Jason, good morning. What do you want? Jason, what do you want?
என்ன கேக்குறாங்க பாரு. What do you
I'll
want?
give you. What do you want?
Juice.
Fruits?
Sweet.
Sweet. Oh, I'll give you sweet.
He started the Diwali mood now itself.
What sweet you want? What sweet you want, Jason? What sweet you want, Jason?
Circle sweet.
Circle sweet. Milk peda.
After you teach the shapes, now everything is like that diamond shape.
Oh, so how nice correlation. Very good, Jason. This is only ma'am will expect. You have to correlate everything. What you are learning.
இந்த நீ குட் மார்னிங் சொல்லு, நான் போய் ஸ்வீட் எடுத்துட்டு வரேன்.
Good morning. Litiksha, good morning. Children, do you have the required things for today's activity? Yes?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Good morning. Okay. Shall we start our session? Almost maximum has come.
Ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Very good morning. Let's start our session. Okay, fine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. One and all, once again. Yes. First, I'll take attendance, okay? Oh, many of them not seen today. Okay, Adan. Adan, give your attendance, Adan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Smiley. Give one smile at least. Adan, give one smile.
Smile பண்ணுங்க.
So sweet. Good boy, good boy. Farheen. I think Farheen also not joined. Jason.
இறங்கு. என்ன பண்ண ஃபர்ஸ்ட்?
Jason, come on, be active.
கிளாப் ஹேண்ட்ஸ் சொல்லக்கூடாது, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செய்யணும். கிளாப் பண்ணு.
You had your sweet, right? Now you're happy mood, right? Oh, still having.
சரி, கம்.
Okay, finish it. Clap.
Clap. Turn around. Clap. Okay. Turn around.
Turn around.
Okay. Then.
See? Very sweet. Kesha won't come, right? Litiksha.
Clap on Angel.
Litika, stand up, Litika.
Turn around. Here I am.
Very cute. Madhu. Very cute. Don't be rush. Shivanya.
Ma'am. Today plant.
What dear? Plant. Yes, we are going to make plant today.
That is why she is wearing plant dress. That is what she is showing.
Oh, stand up and show me.
Stand up.
Let me see. There is full of colorful flowers. Very nice, very nice. Plants are there. Full of, see, Shivanya's dress is filled with flowers and plants. Very nice, Shivanya.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Give your attendance. So sweet.
Give your attendance. Stand
Give
up.
your attendance, dear.
Stand up. Stand. Clap your hand. Turn around.
Cute.
Sit down.
Saimira. Very cute. Varsha. Very cute, Varsha. Good morning. Janvi. Janvi.
Here I am.
Very cute. Janvi, come on, give one clap.
Clap, clap.
One clap.
One clap.
Yes. Turn around.
Turn around. Stand up.
Stand up and turn around.
Turn around.
Yes.
Huh?
Now say here I am.
Here I am.
Here I am. Good girl.
Here I am.
Okay, nice children. All stand up for prayer. Stand up. Okay, are you ready? Yes, very good children. Oh, Shivanya already has started. Saimira, you're yawning. Why is so? Are you sleepy, Saimira? No, let's energize ourselves, okay? Come on, let's say the prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands, stand straight. Say, Kidzi anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes. Ready for aerobics? All give one jump. Give one jump, children. Yes, yes. Get your energy. Start. Let's. Yes, ready, start. Janavi, come on, do. Nitiksha. Jason, come on, do. Yes, yes, run, run, run. Janavi, do like this. Well done, well done. All sit in your place. Take some rest. Yes, children. Tired, right? All tired? Come on, shall we sing rhymes? Yes? Shall we sing roly poly roly? Come on, do like this. Roly poly roly. Roly poly roly. Roly poly roly. Big, big, big. Come on, sing. Roly poly roly. Small, small, small. Roly poly roly. Jason, come on, do. Roly poly roly. Tall, tall, tall. Roly poly roly. Short, short, short. Roly poly roly. Roly poly roly. Wide, wide, wide. Very good. Roly poly roly. Narrow, narrow, narrow. Roly poly roly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Fast. Do the fast way. Roly poly roly. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Fast. Very good, children. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Shall we go for the rhymes, children? Yes? So, sing the first rhyme of butterfly rhyme. Okay? Come on, do like this. Fly, fly, butterfly. Come on. Show your hands like this. Keep your hand like this. Yes, join your thumb. Fly, fly, butterfly. In the garden, fly away. Over all the pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Come on, sing. Fly, fly, butterfly. Right. Fly, fly, butterfly. In the garden, fly away. Over all the pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Yes? Who knows this song? Do you know, children? Do you know this song? Samira, can you sing this song? Samira, sing. Do the action. Fly, fly.
Fly, 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 pretty fly,
Hmm.
pretty
In the,
fly.
in the garden, fly away. Over all the pretty flowers. Fly, fly, butterfly. Yes? Very good, very good, very good. The second song is rabbit song. All the rabbits ready? Ready, rabbits? Are you
Yes,
ready?
yes.
Yes, come on. Rabbits, rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Sing. Rabbits, rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Will you come and play with me? Yes, say along with me. Rabbits, rabbits, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Why you have a hump like this? Why you have a hump like this? Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Why you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach teach me how to climb? Will you teach me how to climb? Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I counted 1 to 10. When I counted 1 to 10. The elephant says, let's start again. The elephant says, let's start again. Okay? Fine. Very nice. Very nice. Shall we sing again? Come on, join with me. Yes, clap your hands, all of you. All clap your hands. Yes, 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 yes. Rabbits, rabbits, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Why you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I counted 1 to 10, the elephant said, let's start again. Okay? The third song is, what is that? The big ship. Yes? The big ship sails on the alley, alley-o, alley, alley-o, alley, alley-o. The big ship sails on the alley, alley-o, on the last day of September. The captain said it will never, never do, never, never do, never, never do. The captain said it will never, never do. On the last day of September, the big ship sank to the bottom of the sea, bottom of the sea, bottom of the sea. The big ship sank to the bottom of the sea on the last day of September. We all dip our heads in the deep blue sea, deep blue sea, deep blue sea. We all dip our heads in the blue deep sea on the last day of September. Okay, children? The fourth song is Orange. Sing Orange song. Orange is the color of so many things we see. Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Orange juice and orange cheese, orange carrots if you please, orange pumpkins, orange leaves. Let's sing a song of orange. Okay, children? Clear, right? Very good, very good, very good. What's the last song? One more I have to teach, no? Yeah? The more we are together, 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 the more we are together, the happier we'll be. Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we are together, 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 the more we are together, the happier we'll be. Okay, good, 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 good. So, that is the rhymes. Okay, how to throw all the rhymes, children. Yes, I asked you to bring some materials for today's activity. Can you remember that? Children, do you all remember that? Yes, do you have materials with you? Come on, come on. Bring your materials. Yes, ready. Very cute. Very cute. Then let's start. All take on A4 sheet. Take on A4 sheet. It's okay? Yes. Take on A4 sheet. Roll your brown paper. Roll your brown paper, Alaf. Yes. Roll like this. Take your brown paper. Roll like a small stem-like shape. Okay?
Idan stem.
All
Stem.
this much,
And the
at least this much length. Okay, roll it as tiny as possible, as thin as possible. Okay, Saimira, come on, take your brown paper, roll it as a thin tube like. Okay, yes, roll your brown sheet. A small piece enough. And stick it like this. Okay, I'll show. Do you have gum with you, children? Yes, stick that stem in the middle of the paper. Okay. Okay. One stem, stick it like this. Okay. All stick one stem like this. Yes, Saimira, what are you doing? Sit and help Amma. You sit and do the sticking work and all. Yes, ready? Stick one stem like this, another stem in the cross way. Sorry. Yes, okay. Stick like this. 2 stems. Now you are going to make a leaves. You know how to make the leaves, right? Make it as a one square paper, fold it as rectangular shape and cut it as a leaf. See? Make it as a tiny leaf like this. It's okay? Make a tiny leaf like this. Okay? Make leaf like this. Stick the leaves like this. Stick the leaves like this. Yes, children. Shivanya, are you doing? Help Papa, Shivanya. All are having the material, right, children? If you don't have, just use a white paper. See, stick like this. Okay? Make 6 to 8 leaves. Finish. Okay, like this way, have to stick. Now cut out of two flowers. Okay. Okay. All take cutouts of two flowers and stick it on the head. Children, stick a flower like this. Ready? Okay. Very good, Shivanya. Nice flower, nice leaves.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where's your flower? Oh, tiny flowers. Very good, very good. Nice, nice it is. And stick the root like that. Using thread, stick like a root.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, all finished this much. Wow, very good, Jason. Superb. Good job. So keep it safely on your file, okay? So nice plant has come, right? Don't forget to stick the root. Okay, children. How many of you finished, children? Finished means show me the figure. Show me the plant. Jason and Sai Shivanya has finished, right? What is that, children? Sai Shivanya, show me your plant and tell me what are the parts are there in the plant. Root not yet stick, Chela.
Yet to stick, ma'am. We are sticking.
Yeah. Jason, you finished complete? Complete
root
your...
stick.
Yes. Okay. Involve the children to stick the root or leave something. Janavi, Varsha, are you doing, dear?
Ma'am, we didn't get the materials.
Okay.
Today evening we'll finish it.
Okay. No problem.
Thank you.
No.
Ma'am, Litiksha's plant.
Litiksha, show me your plant. Wow, lovely. Lovely plant. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Stick the root, Litiksha. Even I too not having that woolen thread. Jason, you're playing with scissor, dear? No, baby. You're going to cut. Very good, very good.
He's not giving to me, ma'am. Cutting him.
He knows to cut.
Yes, ma'am. He'll cut.
Then let him do. Come on, cut the thread.
Ipdi. Yeah.
Yes. Hold like that.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
That's great. Amma will apply glue. You stick it. Madhu, Janvi, are you doing? Hadn't finished your work, Adan?
Yes, ma'am. We are doing, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Sai Mira, what about you? Doing?
Mom is doing it.
Mama is doing. Yes, instead of you.
See.
I'm not able to see. Lift up. Little up. Ah, good, good, good. Carry on, carry on.
Keep it down.
Ah,
Let's finish it.
make it fast. I'm going to tell you a new story.
Come on, show it. Come close. Show it.
Baby, don't touch anything.
Show it. Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Shivanya. Show me. Ah, very nice. Now name the parts, Shivanya. What is it? First say what is it? Say what is this over figure? Full figure. What is
Root.
ah yes, stem.
Then leaf. What is this pink one?
Pink one is flower. Yes, flower. How many flowers are there, Shivanya?
How many
flowers?
How many flowers?
Count and say.
3 flowers.
3 flowers. How many leaves are there in the plant?
Count one.
Very good, very good. 6. Very good. How many stems are there? Stem.
3.
3 stems. Very good. Nice root. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Say thank you to Amma.
Stop speaking.
Jason, finish? Madhu, what about you, Madhu? Yes, Jason. Name the parts of the plant. Wow, nice, nice it is. Name the parts, Jason.
Another.
No.
What is this?
Wait, Madhu. I'll ask you. Okay. This is Jason time. Jason is telling. Come on, Jason. Yes. Show the plant and tell the yes. Like that.
Green stem, brown stem.
Brown stem. Okay. Very good. Very good. Then.
Green.
Very cute. Then flower. Very good. Down thing.
I don't know.
Roots. Very cute. This is a plant. Okay. Very good. Very good, Jason. Good job. Madhu, come on, show me your plant. Madhuvanti.
திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் வாங்கி வரதுக்கு அவங்க மம்மி இல்ல மேம் இது அவங்களே ஒட்டினாங்க.
Very nice. Original leaves flowers-ங்களா?
ஒரிஜினல் லீவ்ஸ்ல அவங்களே கம் வச்சு ஒட்டறாங்க.
Very cute. Come on, show me. That's a great job. Madhu, come here. Come and tell me what are the things are there.
இங்க பாரு என்னன்னு கேக்கலங்க. வெரி குட் தான். நல்லா ஒட்டிக்கிறீங்களா? காமிங்க.
அருமையா இருக்குடா. சூப்பர்.
அவங்களே ஒட்டறாங்க எல்லாத்தையும்.
Very nice. What is that green color?
சொல்லுங்க இது என்னது இது? கிரீன் கலர் என்னது? இது
very good. Yellow color?
pink color flower.
Pink color flower. Yellow color also there?
Yellow color இது என்னது? இது என்ன கலர்? பேப்பர்.
Very nice. Very nice, Madhu. Good job, good job. Superb. Litiksha? Litiksha, show your plant and say the parts of the plant. Very nice. Come on, say Litiksha, what are the things are there in the plant? Name the parts.
Flower cut.
Hold it straight. Very nice it is. Hold it straight. Good. Say.
Leaf எங்க இருக்குன்னு காட்டுமா மேம்க்கு.
Show me where is leaves.
காட்டு.
Where are the leaves? Very good. Stems. Show me stems. Very nice. Very nice. Flowers, Indra. Flowers. Where are the flowers? Flower. Show me. Okay, fine. Any of you finish? Okay. So at last you got the clear picture of what is plant, what are the parts. Yes, right, children. Okay. So you are all happily involved in this work, right? Yes, ma'am too. Okay, right. Nice. Now ma'am is going to tell you a small story. Okay, are you ready to see the story? Yes, children, are you ready to hear the story? Yeah. Wait, I'll show you. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Wait, I'll show you. See here, children. Look at here all. All stop your work. Stop your work and see here. What are the animals you can see in this picture, children? Can you say all look at? Yes. What is this? Children say pig. Say. Ma'am is going to tell about three little pigs. Okay. The pigs are, one is here, another one is here, the third one is here. And this is the bad wolf. Who's this? Bad wolf. Okay. Wolf. Who's this? Wolf. The blue color dress one who is wearing is wolf. Ma'am is going to teach you the three little pigs. Okay. Shall we? Get ready. Come on. See. Once there was a three little pigs lived with his mother. The three little pigs decided to build a new house for their own. Okay. The three little pigs one day left their mother's home and started to build a new house for them. Each and every one decided to build a new house for them. Okay, children. So they are telling bye-bye to your mummy and they are going to start their work. Okay. The first one built his house using straw. What is this yellow color thing? Straw. You know what is straw, children? Grass, dry grass. Okay. Dry grass is known as straw. So the first pig started to build his house with straw, using straw. Okay. And the second one built his house using sticks. This brown color thing is stick. Small sticks. Using small stick, many pieces of sticks and to build his house. Okay. But the third pig is a little intelligent one. Okay. The third one built his house using bricks. Bricks is, what is this? Baked sand. Bricks. That is known as bricks. Single. Okay. He used to build his house with bricks. Okay. One night, it was a night time, a bad wolf. Wolf is usually, they'll be very cunning and bad, like a jackal and fox. Okay. One night, a bad wolf came along and saw the first little pig. First little pig is in the house of what, children? First little pig lives in the house of? Yes, straw. Yes, right. Straw. He saw the first little pig in his house of straw. Okay. He said, let me in, little pig, or I'll huff and puff, and I'll blow your house, said the bad wolf. The pig was scared. He said, no, no, I'll not let you in, said the pig. So the wolf blew the house. The wolf started to blow the house. The straw were flying, and the little pig ran to his brother's house, which is made up of sticks. Immediately, he moved from the straw house to the stick house. Okay. The next night, a bad wolf came again and saw the little pigs in the house of sticks. Yes, the second pig made a house of stick, right? There, the first one and second one is staying there. There, the wolf came and said, let me in, little pigs, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house. The pig said, no. Again the pig said, no. So the wolf angrily blew the house, and the little pigs ran to their brother's house made of bricks. Yes, right. The bad wolf started to blow the stick house. The stick house were flying. So the first and second pigs scared and ran away to their third brother, one who is staying in the brick house. Okay, this is the brick house. Brick house will be usually strong, no children, compared to the straw house and stick house. Yes, right. Yeah, there they were staying safely. At the third day,
வெளியில போறியா என்ன பண்ணிருக்க
This one.
the bad wolf was now angry, and he ran behind the pigs. Okay, watch carefully, children. I'll ask you the question. Okay, the bad wolf was now angry. He got very angry and he ran behind the pigs. He stopped at the door and said, let me in, little pigs, or I'll huff and I'll puff up. Sorry, I'll puff and I'll blow your house, said the wolf. All the three pigs chorously said, no. So the wolf huffed and puffed, but he could not blow down that brick house like the stick and straw house, because brick house will be strong. No, he can't blow. The wolf can't blow the brick house. Now the wolf got very angry, but the wolf was very clever. He's also a clever and what is that? Clever wolf. Okay, and the old wolf, he climbed up on the sea. Can you see this? He's climbing. See, he's climbing on the roof. Yes, to look for the way into the brick house. Yes, he's climbing up. He saw the chimney over the house. What is it? This is chimney. Okay, he saw the chimney. So he searched the way to get inside, go inside the house. Okay, so he climbed up on the roof to look for a way into the brick house. The little pigs saw the wolf climb up on the roof. Okay, then they immediately all they rushed and lit the roaring fire. Every house there will be in the ice region, there will be a fireplace. Okay, there will be a fireplace. So they lit the fire in the fireplace and placed on it a large kettle of water. Okay, the water started to boil. The wolf climbed up and he come through the wolf crawled down the chimney. Okay, crawled down the chimney and started to fell right into the kettle of hot boiling water. He got burnt. The wolf got learned a lesson, nice lesson from the pigs. Okay, children, always think wise. Don't scare of anything. Okay, children, got it? So now I am going to give an exercise. Okay, can you see these images of the story, Little Three Pigs? Three Little Pigs. Okay. Now I change the sequence. You have to arrange the first to last. Okay, right? Fine. Shall we discuss about it? What is the first picture will come? Yes? Is this clear, children? Yes? Yes, watch everything. Here the wolf is coming to the brick house. Here the wolf, second picture, wolf fell into the water. In the third picture, the wolf blowing the stick house. In the fourth picture, the wolf started to climb up on the roof. In this fifth picture, the pig is build a brick house. Here the pig is the wolf is blowing the straw house. Three pigs are say bye bye to their mother. And this picture, a pig is build a straw house. Here the pig is build a stick house. Okay, these are the pictures. Which will come first? Can you say? Can you name the picture? Name the number. Yes. Nitiksha, say what will come first, Nitiksha?
7.
Yes, 7 will come first. Okay. Yes, 7 is the first picture, right? So I'll put 1 for 7. Okay. And then what will come?
8,
Shivanya, say what will the next one?
8, 9, 10.
8 will be the second one. Yes. So here we can write 2. Okay. Then what will come?
9,
Third one. Saimira, say third one. Which will come third one? Which will come third one, Saimira? Saimira, are you there? Which will come third one? The 9th will come third one, right? Yes. Varsha, which will come fourth one? But the picture is very tiny, na? Yes, Varsha, which will come fourth? 7 will come first, 8 will come second, 9 will come third. Which will come fourth? Janavi, you say which will come fourth? This will come fourth, right? The fifth one will come fourth. Yes. Yeah. And the sixth one will come fifth. Am I right? Yes. And then yes. And then the third one will come 7. And then first will come 8. Fourth will come 9. And the second will come 10. Yes? This is the story, 3 Little Pigs. Okay, children? Tomorrow also, I'll show you the same story. Okay, I'll revise the same story Monday. You have to find out the sequence. Okay, children? Clear, right? Yes. So, mom is going to wind up here itself. Did you enjoy the activity, children? Yes? Did you all enjoy the activity? Yes? Say hooray, all of you. Happily say hooray. Hooray. Ah, very good. Jason, say hooray. You didn't enjoy your work? Hooray. Show the thumb finger. Yes, very nice, children. Okay. Then bye-bye.